You know that feeling when you're drowning in data, numbers, and charts. Trying to find the story behind the numbers, you pull out your hair trying to make sense of it all. Spending countless hours cleaning, formatting, and analyzing data, building charts, writing summaries, and tweaking presentations until they're finally good enough to share. I've been there. It's a never-ending cycle of busy work that steals your time and sanity. One day I was swamped with deadlines and I needed a report that contained complex data and analysis. Instead of doing it the way I've always done, pulling data, formatting charts, and writing summaries, I did something crazy. I let AI do it all. I fed my raw data into Excel and then I started chatting with Chat. I told it to analyze the data, find trends, calculate metrics, and generate insights. And to my surprise, it delivered. Not only that, it also helped me craft the entire executive summary, pulling out key findings and suggesting improvements based on the data. It even assisted me in designing a clean layout for my report, complete with charts and graphs in the right places. What usually took me 6 to 7 hours to do, including formatting, designing, and writing, now took less than 45 minutes. The report looked amazing and the insights were spot on. It saved me so much time and energy that I was able to focus on other critical tasks. Now, here's the thing, while the AI did an excellent job, there were some areas where it lacked context. It missed some small nuances such as internal jargon and didn't fully grasp our audience's preferences. However, after a quick review and some human tweaks, the final version of the report was one of the cleanest and most insightful pieces I've ever submitted. My manager loved it. He was impressed with the insights and the professional presentation. Not realizing that a good chunk of it was AI generated, that experience taught me something big. AI is not here to replace us, it's here to upgrade us. Once you learn to work with it, it can help you do your work faster, better, and smarter. It is like having an extra set of hands that never gets tired and a super smart colleague who can crunch numbers and generate ideas at lightning speed. So instead of fearing AI, embrace it. Learn how to use it to your advantage and free up your time to focus on what truly matters. Making decisions, not worrying about document formatting. The rise of AI is not a threat, but an opportunity to do our jobs better. Are you ready to take this opportunity?